Hey, little girl. Ready? Come on, baby, come on. Good girl. Hey. Oh. Oh, he's really getting feisty about this. Well, he's was feeding the baby, and baby is today 4 weeks and 5 days old. It's getting really close to 5 weeks. Still hasn't got this taking in the food accomplished. Still not weaned. Although mama I noticed yesterday this little I was like, what is this thing? Something crusty on the bottom of the eyelids, and I saw, I don't know if we're going to be able to pick it up, but little feathers starting, like eyelash feathers. You see them? Four weeks and 5 days old. Yeah. Okay, well, Daddy will feed you. Oh, you can feed him? Come on, girl. Give him buddies. Come on, girl. Feed him buddies. Come on. Give him some buddies. He's attacking you. Here, see. Alright. Look at that where he's trying to get scratchy. Look at the orthopedic work. I guess you can see it better from the back. That is a paracord with one loop around each leg, and it stays right there above the knees. And I say, a veterinarian could not do any finer work. Thank you, Almighty Lord God Jesus. And it was based on a 10-minute video that I watched on YouTube from a veterinarian about splay leg condition.